Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TDC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Just an absolutely monster move, and actually good follow through. It started yesterday when the price headed up, pulled back a little bit. Of course, all this was happening on much less volume, but then today is where the volume came pouring in, and then the price reacted accordingly with it. Now there was a bit of a pullback here, so there is perspective that goes into the chart. What do I mean by that? Well, if you are a day trader and you bought right there and you wanted to sell within 3.7 seconds, then yeah, for you the chart's looking pretty rough. But if you care about the big picture of things, then the bulls still have plenty of opportunity to build a higher low. And when you build those higher lows over time, that's how the long-term uptrends are built. So let's talk about a couple levels of support, then we'll talk resistance. First level of support, and what I would call the ideal level, is right here at 80 cents, meaning, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the best? If the price can indeed stay up above 80 cents, that would certainly, be the best case scenario and make the chart look the healthiest. Case in point, even if the price did pull back some more and then bounced around right here before heading back up, when you look at where the lows would be, well, you'd have a set of lows right here, this set of lows right there, and then, where it all had based out right there. And if you picture each one of those as stair steps, I mean, the stair steps would still be beautifully heading in the upwards direction. So 80 cents to me, definitely that level where you really do want to see the price hold. Another level of support you can keep an eye on is going to be that purple line right there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. I realize that line's way down there and the price closed up there. Keyword there being moving, though. So as time goes by, that line is going to move its way upwards and get more and more relevant. But as things stand right now, I mean, given the price did still close up above $1.05, 80 cents, in my opinion, at least should be, that first focal point from a support standpoint. Now, what about areas of resistance? If this price is going to get back up, above $1.40, where are some of these hurdles at? First key level of resistance going to be right here, and the price try to get above there that final 30 minutes right there at about $1.11. And then after $1.11, let's just call it $1.10 to make it easier. Next key level up there at $1.35. So $1.10, $1.35, next levels. If the price can break above there, then yeah, you can start to talk about getting up in, to the $1.40 range of the chart. Any way you slice it though, very nice day. Now it's just a question of, can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click that image right there and I will email you the guide. The guide is very short, it's to the point, and like I said, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.